Can you actually get infected from your own sneeze?
Short answer, no.
So here's the deal. You can't really reinfect yourself with the same virus you've just sneezed out, like your body's already fighting it, so breathing in those particles again isn't gonna make a difference. Your immune system's like, I've got this, fam. Now, holding in a sneeze? Don't even think about it. You're talking about pressures up to 100 miles per hour. That's like forcing infected mucus into your ears or sinuses. Next thing you know, you're dealing with middle ear infections, sinusitis, or worse, a ruptured eardrum. Not worth it, bruh. And let's talk about sneezing into your hands. If you don't wash them pronto, you're basically building a germ bridge. Touch a doorknob, then touch your face. You're asking for a new illness. Your immune system's already busy. Don't give it extra work sneezing into a mask, though. That can feel kinda gross. Not because you'll get reinfected, but the moisture can make the mask less effective and irritate your skin. Change it if it gets damp, okay?